For
Thank you.
2 days activities
Wow.
Samsung Kuwan GM.
Yes. Partner.
Mga pagmensahe ka ron.
Well, of course, Jay, may hapon ka natong tanan, Elmer, atong mga media partners, and of course, atong mga MCOs and participants sa ato ang painting and digital arts competition. Grabe kayo. It was very successful, well participated, ug ang quality gyud sa mga entries karon Mer and Jay, grabe gyud ang quality. So it's very successful, very thankful kay Samsung Rekuan sa atong mga MCOs who participated.
No, Jim, and reactions sa mga viewers nung di pa sila mga Samsung Kuwan nakahimog ani inisyatiba talking of kanamitang mga mga talents bitaw na promote sila at the same time na-develop sila kung ato nakita nga dahang potential dito sa pagadian painting at the same time sa mga talents sa singing.
Yes, partner Jay. Actually, this is our way of nindot kay gahapon we had our yung singing contest natin, competition. Kuan man good kanibang we are supporting actually yung communities talaga natin. Kanibang we are also promoting yung culture na there are so many talents din sa Zamboanga del Sur. So Zamsurekwan gusto na to ma-recognize nito sila, and they have also a sort of a venue where they could actually express their being artist. So na karon gitagaan nato na gyud dako kayo karon nga pagtagad pod and value. At the same time, this is in connection also doon sa celebration nato sa National Cooperative Month. At the same time, National Awareness, Mental Health Awareness Month nato. So we, in coordination of course, under the guidance of PhilReca, mga electric cooperatives, especially Samsung Rekuan, grabe kayong suporta natin. So we are also in solidarity with this program, and this is one way of connecting kasi with our community. So like energy, sang ako nang giingon permi, yung singing at the same time kanibang singing competition, at the same time kaning painting and digital arts competition, it connects people. So naagyoy kuan dako kayong kanibang kahulugan sa atong ginahimo sa Samsung Rekuan.
PhilReca President, siguro kini ato mga winners karon tamol kam mahimo na siya compete sa national level.
Yes. Yun ang kagandahan sa PhilReca kuan nato Jay, kay naagyo yung mga programa for electric cooperatives. So naay mga national competition, so sa digital arts, painting. So kani po dato ang kuan mga winners nato karon. So they will be participating doon sa sa ato ning magiging entry po ni sa ng Samsung Rekuan, and we are so proud actually. And again, it provides a venue or an opportunity platform ng atong mga artists dito makaparticipate sa mga national activities ng PhilReca and of course ng Samsung Rekuan. And it can create awareness also on the importance of course of what we are doing dito sa Samsung Rekuan, ang mga electric cooperatives in general, contributing towards the growth of this nation, and of course part na dyan yung cultural growth.
Today's activities, JM and PhilReca President, what is your feelings now? Nakita nato grabe kayo ang
I'm so happy. Grabe kayo ako in terms of satisfaction. Happy kay ko karon.
Laay ba?
Tinuod lang wala magay boring moments din sa ato So we are again, there will be other mga programs, activities that we will be launching, and of course that will involve our member consumer owners. Again, this is our way of connecting to our member consumer owners and the communities we serve, Jay and Elmer.
So mag-andam na sila next year.
Mag-andam na ni. Now, I promised actually na atong padakan ang prizes to encourage more participants, mga artists nato, padakan nato ang premyo, para mas daghan, mas nindot. Okay, daghang mga entries. And again, naabay gitanaw po ng atong mga local artists na looking forward nga naagyoy competition where they could actually express their show their talents and skills.
Some regions na ang Samsuri Kuan mag-create o Samsuri Kuan band, ikaw mo ay lead pan.
But, i-open po nato sa atong mga employees. Naman po tayo kamay talent, pero kailangan ipalis lang. Ipalis lang yun. But again, yes, gusto po nato ma-involve po nato mga employees.
So, JM, thank you so much. Mabuhay ka agad.
And thank you kayo mga media partners ng Samsuri Kuan, J Channel, of course, Elmer sa tuwang Radyo Kidlat. Thank you kayo, Rex, inyo partner natin, and of course, kaugalingon natin, Mariel. Thank you, and God bless us all.
All right,
Thank you.
Sir Olsanil, and our Ferreca President. Igan rin sa Samsurico Functional Gabon si Judy Chavez, J. Abalis sa J Channel, My TV, and Your TV Live.